Hello, children. Today we are going to study chapter 2, that is Roman numerals. Numerals, first, it was developed by the people of Rome. They used to write symbol instead of writing down the numbers as we. We people use Hindu Arabic numerals, whereas they use symbols. For 1, they used to write I. For number 5, they used to write V. For 10, they used to write X. For 50, they used to present by L. For 100 by C. For 500 by D. And 1000 by M. So these are the basic 7 symbols which they used, the people of Rome, to create the numbers. There are some basic rules while writing the numerals we should keep in mind. The symbol V, L and D are never repeated. They are written only once. Example, to write down 10, they write X. They don't use VV. Similarly, for 100, they write only C, not LL. These are the rules which we need to keep in mind. The next, a Roman numeral of smaller value can be written on left hand of a Roman numeral of a greater value only once. We can't write I before V. I for 3 times X. They are incorrect. A symbol can be repeated up to maximum 3 times only. I and X can be repeated for 3 times, not more than 8. Activity 1. Exercise 1. In this one, we need to write Roman numbers. Write the Roman numbers, numeral form. That means we are going to write the symbol for the Hindu Arabic number. A. 25 is written as XXV. B, it is 30, so you are going to present it by triple X, 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 X. X can be repeated for 3 times. C, 42. In this, we are not going to use X for 4 times. In this, we are going to subtract 10 from 40. That is XL, then II. D, 52. For 50, we are using L and 2 II. So altogether LII. E, 65. For 65, first we need to write L. L means 50, then X 60 and V as 5. LXV. F, 79. L is 50. 2 times X, it becomes 70 and then IX as 9. G, 84. First 50, that is L, then repeat X for 3 times and then IV as 4. 84. H, 91. As we can't repeat X for 4 times, we are going to subtract 10 from 100. So that is C. XC and then I. Question number I, that is 94. Again, XC is 90, IV is 4. 94. Question number 2. Write the Hindu Arabic numeral for. Question is given in Roman symbols. You need to write down the numbers. A. IX is 9. As we don't have exact number symbol for 9, we are going to subtract 1 from 10. B, XX triple I, that means 23. 10 plus 10, 20 and then 3, 23. C, XXXIV. 3 times X is 30 and then 4, 34. D. XLI. XL is 40, 1 is, I is 1, so it will be 41. E. LXXIV. 50 and then 70 and then 4, 74. F. LXXVII, it is 77. G. LXXX, that is 50, 60, 70 and then 80. Answer is 80, 80. H. XCVII, it is 97. I. XCV, X and C is 90, V is 5, 95. Write greater than, lesser than or equal to 98 and write dash. The next is XCVII. XCVII, convert into Hindu Arabic, it becomes 97. So which is the greater here? 98. Draw the arrow for it. B. 34 dash and given Roman numeral is XXXI4. If you write in Hindu Arabic, it is 34. So the answer is equal symbol. C. Question is first with Roman number LXIII. L means 50, 60 and then 363 dash 73. Which is the greater? 73. So draw the arrow towards Roman number. D. LXXX. LXXX is nothing but 80 dash 82. So 82 is the greater. Draw the arrow mark. 82 is the greater one. E. XCVIII. XC is 90 and then 8. 98 dash. Again XC is 90 and then 99. 9 is the greater here. So draw the arrow mark in the given space. F. LX dash XL. LX is nothing but 60 dash 40. So which is the greater? LX is greater. So draw the greater symbol. Question number 4. Write the answer in numeral form. In this, questions are given in the Roman symbol. Add it up and write it again in the Roman numerals. A. XX3I plus V. XXIII is nothing but 23 plus 5. It becomes 28. So the answer is XXVIII. B. Triple X and then IX, it becomes 39 plus 8. It becomes 47. XLVII. C. XC plus XL. XC is 90 plus XL is 40. Answer is 130. 100 means C followed by 3x. CXXX. And then D. V plus XII. V is 5 plus 12. It becomes 17. XVI. E. C plus X. C is 100 plus 10. The answer is CX. F. LV plus V. L is 50 and then 5. 55 plus 5. It is 55. You're going to write as LV plus V. 55 plus 5. It is 60. The answer is LX.